The Align command in AutoCAD allows you to precisely align objects based on specific reference points or alignments. Let's explore how to use it. Begin by typing AL in the command line and pressing Enter. Next, select the objects you want to align. Specify a source point, the reference point, and then the corresponding destination point. To rotate the object, provide a second source point followed by a second destination point. Then he asks for yes and no for scale it or not. Click No and press Enter to complete the command. This time we used to scale the object and I clicked yes and our object scaled with these selected dimensions. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any question.